greenhouse is all iced over. Looks really cool. This looks like the privacy glass that you have on your house or like a motorhome window. And same on this side. Ooh, crunchy, crunchy. On this side, looks like those shower door effects with the water coming down. It's just beautiful out. I wish you could see it. I wish the sun was out. It would be just gorgeous out right now. Ooh. My birch tree is really hanging there. I could hear the wind a minute ago, and it was really crackling in the trees. If we get any amount of wind, I got a feeling there's going to be a lot of down limbs. Luckily, the Edison went by our house recently and did a big cleanup by our power lines that run behind here. So that's a good thing. I'm out here actually just with a sweatshirt on and a scarf, barehanded. And I'm just starting to get a little cold now. But you can see it's not as bad as some ice storms, but it looks like it's about a 1/4 inch on the wood of the trees. I love how ice just sticks to everything. Looks so pretty. Rosemary, all covered. This rosemary too. Icicles. Ooh, I guess it's time for me to go in. I'm getting chilled.